Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today's recipe is a very simple how to make lemonade. This is my favorite version of it. It's not too sugary and it's not too lemony. It's just perfect in my opinion. So I have a bag of lemons and I'm going to use my little lemon squeezer to get approximately 1.5 cups of lemon juice, which takes about 10 lemons. Just depends how big your lemons are. But if you happen to get like a cup, you could just cut back on the sugar if you want. I've definitely just kind of winged it off of this basic recipe, depending on how much lemon juice I have. So I have this handy dandy pitcher that has like a pump on it, so it like stirs stuff. So I'm going to be using that, and this recipe fits perfectly in here. So I added that, and then I'm going to add 6 cups of water. It's going to take 8 cups total, but with the last 2 cups is how I make my simple syrup. So I put the last 2 cups in here, and then I'm going to add 1 cup and 3/4 of sugar. And again, you could do less if you have less lemon juice. And you're just going to heat that up until the sugar dissolves and it makes like a simple syrup. Does not take long at all, and you'll know it's ready when it comes out clear and looks like water again. So here's what it looks like when it's done. And then I'm just going to add it back to my pitcher, and that is it. I try to make stuff like this instead of getting my kids like pre-made juices, just because I feel like I can control what's in it better, and there's not preservatives and like high fructose corn syrup and stuff like that. And then of course I love this pump because it stirs it for you. This is from Pampered Chef, but I'm pretty sure they make these at like any place now. You can probably buy one. And there's some seeds in there, but meh, for the most part, it's pretty good. I love this. I make it all the time. And thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.